Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn some important basic formulas in Excel, such as sum, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, average, and account. Let's get started. First, we start from sum. We can find sum using three rules. First one, sum function with formula. Sum function with formula. For this one, for example, I want to find sum here. Just write equal sign, insert sum, this one. Then select all of these. Just enter. Directly you can find sum. Now you just have to drag to do it for the other cells. Ctrl Z. Also we have another option. Just when the cursor changes to black, just double click on it. Directly it calculates sum for the other cells. Ctrl Z. We have another option. Just Ctrl C, then come to here, Ctrl V. That's the sum with the formula. Ctrl Z. Now we want to find sum without formula. Just put cursor here. Then from home, we have auto sum and sum. Just click here and enter. Directly it finds the sum for you. Again, you can drag it. Directly calculate sum for all. Ctrl Z. Delete this one again. If you put cursor here and just click auto sum and enter, directly calculates the sum again. Then in the same way, double click, it calculates sum for all the other cells. Again, if you just select all the cells here, all these cells, and auto sum, it calculates sum for all directly. For this side also, you can do it just in the same way. Select it here and auto sum, it calculates sum for all. Using sum formula by shortcut. How you can do it? If you select all these cells, then Alt and equal sign, directly calculate sum for all. That's the using shortcut. For this side also, select all these cells, Alt and equal sign, directly it calculates the sum. Also, if you just click here and Alt equal sign, enter, it calculates the sum for this one also. Just drag it. You can calculate sum for the other cells. That's all options we have to find sum in Excel. Let's go to subtraction. Now we have this. Let me delete these. Okay. Regarding subtraction, just from here, using formula, equal sign, this cell, it's about tracking expense. We have item, we have planned budget and actual spending. Let's find the difference. This one minus this one. Enter. Directly gives me the difference. You can drag it. It calculates the difference or subtraction. Ctrl Z. Again, if you just double click here, you can find subtraction. That's the subtraction. Another one is multiplication. Here we have an example. We have product, unit price, quantity sold. We want to find total sales. Just from here, equal sign, unit price times quantity sold. Just enter. Directly it calculates the total sale for item or product A. Now you can drag it to calculate all multiplication for all the other cells. Control Z, you can just double click on it. It calculates multiplication for all the other cells. Control Z, you have another option, Control copy, then come to here, Control V. Again, it calculates multiplication for all the other cells. For total sale, to find total sale, just auto sum. Now we can calculate the total also. This time division. We have to calculate average sales per unit. Total sale is 1,000, here 1,200, and quantity sold, average sales per unit. Now we have to use division. Just from here, select it, equal sign, total sale, divide by quantity sold, enter. Now you can just drag to copy paste to use formula for the other cells. Directly it calculate average sales per unit. Control Z, you can also double click on it. Okay, it calculates division for the other cells. Again, by copy, Control C, then come to here, Control V. And in this way, you can calculate the division for the data we have. Regarding percentage, here we have to calculate percentage of total sales. Here, sales for this month, 2,000. Total sales annually for 1 year, 10,000. Now we have to find percentage. It is easy to use. Regarding division, equal sign, sales this month, divide by total sales, enter. Then that is 0.2. I want in percent. From home, we have numbers, select this symbol. If you click here, we have percentage, you see, and I don't want the decimal. If you don't want decimal, you can decrease and increase. Then double click, directly calculates percentage for all the other cells. Control Z, again, just by dragging, or after calculating this one, just Control C and come to here, Control V. It calculates percentage for all items we have. Average. Regarding average, just from here, equal sign, average, this one. Select this, close the bracket, and enter. Directly it calculates average. If you want to decrease decimals, just click this one, and from this one you can decrease the decimals behind the point and come to here. It calculates average for all. Again, if I delete this one, come to here, also we have average. Directly it selects the data here and enter. You can find average. Delete this one. Also average for these cells, you can do it. Come to here and from home, average, you can find, or let me delete this, just equal sign, average for this, enter, then drag it. You can find average for this also, just for this one. Okay. We have another important basic formula, which is count. count. How we, for example, how much data here? It calculates how much data here. Count only calculates the numerical without any text. Let me delete this. Count, 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 and select the data. Enter. It found only 4 because it only deal with the numerical 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. If you want to calculate the text also, just equal count A. And enter. It calculates 7. It uses text also, counts texts also, and numerical with the text. Also, you can count it by count A. That's all. Don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.